So Richard, what's your technique for landing a big bird?
You gotta keep them out of the air. Get them in the water.
Okay. Okay. And that's our catch of the day, folks. Right there. That bird's the bird is crapping himself. He's so mad right now.
Back up. She'll win some.
This is worth waiting goal.
Oh.
Basically, Richard's a legend. I think he knows in his heart and soul that you're helping. We're not just angry fishermen. We like to help the birds. Yeah, that's some bird flesh right there. Yeah, but his neck is. Wow. This is great.
Ta-da! Got a picture?
Oh yeah, yeah. Hold on.